What is the real meaning of cleaning baby poop in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of cleaning baby poop dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see cleaning your own baby poop in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates that now you are ready to get something big due to adopting a disciplined life with full responsibility. But sometimes this dream also suggests eliminating your negative thoughts and feelings as soon as possible. Only then you will get desired results fast in real life. Now number 2. If you see cleaning baby poop in toilet or bathroom in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates the ending of life problems soon, which have been bothering you for a long time. That will give you a chance of fresh start in life, as well as this dream also suggests that you need to remove all kinds of negative thoughts, emotions and stress from life, because these things are hindering your progress in real life. Now number 3. If you see cleaning baby poop from the floor in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to change your attitude towards life as soon as possible. Because some kind of fear, worry or emotional burden is creating many problems in your life. So to avoid these things, this is the right time to think big and positive and make big goals according to priority in real life. Now number 4. If you see cleaning baby poop on a public place in a dream, then it indicates that you need to leave the fear of being judged by others in life as soon as possible. Otherwise you can procrastinate or postpone your important plans for tomorrow deliberately in waking life. So to avoid these things, you should focus on your strengths and goals rather than weaknesses or other people's opinions in real life. Now number 5. If you see cleaning baby poop from your body or clothes in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to avoid any kind of risky or new work for some time. Otherwise you can face many unwanted problems in the coming future. But sometimes this dream also suggests to leave the feelings of shame or guilt in life, because these things can create more complex unwanted things in the coming future. Now number 6. If you see cleaning baby poop from the bed in a dream, then it indicates some kind of stress or insecurity due to any kind of reason in waking life. Or you should try to find the permanent solutions to your problems in life. Only then you can solve your problems very easily in real life. Now number 7. If you see flushing and cleaning baby poop in a dream, then it indicates that now you are going to enter a new phase of life, because now you are completely ready to change your habits, behaviors and personality according to your wish, after letting go of all kinds of negativity and negative things from life. Now number 8. If you see cleaning someone else known or unknown baby poop in a dream, then it indicates unexpected responsibility, emotional burden due to someone else's immaturity or wrong behavior in life. Or you are feeling stuck somewhere due to someone else's fault in waking life. That's why you have such a dream. So to avoid these things, this is the right time to focus on yourself and your goals and targets according to priority in life. Only then you can handle all kinds of problems easily in real life.